Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So, what is the quickest way of earning online? That is a question that I was asked by one of my friends. Apparently, she's tired of her job and she wants to quit and concentrate on working online. Now, I would just like to answer her and answer anyone else who is in the same predicament and doesn't know what to do. So guys, my name is Judith. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance and personal development. So now, if you're thinking of quitting your job, I can say congrats, kudos, or any other good word out there. Personally, I believe that working for yourself and with your own conditions is one of the best things that can happen to anyone. But of course, freelancing is not for everyone. So while there are those of us who prefer to this mode of earning money, there are those who prefer being employed and being in an office setting. Whatever rocks your boat, run with it. So for those who feel like they need to quit their job and concentrate on their own freelance writing business, I must say that while it is a good thing, it is a good thought, it is good to note that freelancing is just like any other job. It takes time to grow. In fact, if anyone told you that you'll start making millions in the second month of your working, you should actually run away from that person quickly, because it is not possible. And jobs that promise that are actually, most of the time, they are cons. Yeah, so be careful. That being said, advice that you hang on to your job, you hang on to your current job and start freelancing as a side hustle until it picks up, or until it starts paying your bills at least, so that you can just be rest assured that you'll still survive even if you quit your job. I understand that for someone like me, I actually started, yeah, you know my story. I don't need to repeat it, but now I started it when I didn't have any other option because I had just been fired. That is different. Honestly speaking, I wouldn't have had the courage to quit without any other source of income. It's just that I was pushed into it, and I just had to make a quick decision. So now hang on to that job, start freelancing as a side hustle. Then another thing that you can do is that you can save. If, for example, you can have money that can cushion you for at least 6 months, then I can advise you to quit. Yeah. So now the big question: what is the quickest way to earn a living from online? I would say, of course, I have said that there is no quickest way, but now the way that I know is that you can start earning online by creating a profile in one of these platforms. The platforms are Upwork, freelancer.com, fiverr.com, and many others. So you create a profile on those platforms and then you start selling your services. These services can be web design, they can be writing, they can be translation, they can be transcription, data entry, and so many others. So you create a profile on those platforms, then start, of course, bidding on jobs. That also means that you can actually land a job on your first day just after opening your profile, because once you have the profile, it is completed, you can start bidding for these jobs. As you continue bidding on those jobs and completing those jobs, the clients will give you good reviews. That is, if you're doing a good job, of course. Those good reviews will make you be noticed by other clients. So it will reach a time where you will not have to bid consistently. The clients will look for you. So I think that is, for me, that is the easiest way of making a living online. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have learned something. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit the red button, okay? Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye.